Audi Licious, where your dreams become reality.
I have a paint and body shop. We have Chassis, our executive assistant slash director, YouTube person. My other guy, Gonzalo, will show you all our beautiful Audis. We just bought that one in Tampa, Florida. This is 2175. It runs at A196. So what you do is you're like, well, how the heck do you do this? I'm 54 years old, I have no kids, and I have no idea how to do internet stuff. So I know y'all can figure this out. You see that? IAA, you hit that little thing, booyah. Now, I like Audi S5, so we're gonna hit Audi S5, enter, which I screwed up because should have a space. See, Frank screwed up. See, I told you I always screw up. All right, so we're gonna do it again. Audi space S5, enter. You hit the search button. Look at all the Audis. Wow, convertibles, coupes, all the Audis. See this? These are all the Audis and all that. These are the ones that are running. This is the one that we just bought. This is live, and I bought it for tax fees and all that. $5,150 plus some little juice I got to pay for getting someone buying it for me or whatever. So here's all the Audis, S5s, and these are not assigned. This is the one I'm gonna buy because this one's already sold. The one I just bought is already sold. Is that it? No, it's gonna be in Hollywood. So auction not assigned. So you got to just keep constantly always watching it. See, there's 09. But I'm looking for one in Hollywood. That's it right there. 71,000, kind of high miles. But I love the 4.2 V8, and I lost my RS5. San Antonio, slow. So this is in Northern California. It hasn't came up. Mercury Insurance, I know that's who's gonna sell it. Looks like it got hit in the butt. So you hit this thing to go see what's going on. Sandstorm, all that. Looks like it got a little damage. That's the insurance saying, hey, that's messed up. So they matted this out, curb rash, something that's prior damage, hit in the butt, bad picture. There's another hit in the butt, see there, like that. So there's your damage. The quarter panel buckled. You can pull this all out, replace that, save all of that. Don't know how you do it. See, boom, manual. It's a manual. Most people don't want a manual. But if you got a sports car, it's a manual. So I wouldn't buy a manual because I want to sell it. I'm going to buy it because I love Audis. So if I didn't have the money like y'all don't have, you're just trying out, don't buy a manual. So there's the damage right there, boom. Hitting the butt, you're gonna probably fix that or replace that. The bumpers and all that, they're cheap. I'll tell you where to go get them at LKQ. So that's the one I'm gonna look at. This is the one I bought. Hold on, sorry. So we're going back. Where's my beauty? My baby. And I have it already sold, that's how good I am. So, and I'll let you see the guy that buys it because I don't lie. So you hit that HD and you go 360 and it's going to pull out that. So look at the damages. Boom, 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 boom. I already have another car. Oh, see that he matted it out. You see a buckle here. Somebody screwed that up suspension. They call that a left knee. You can see the gap sizes. Something happened here. Light's good, this is good, all that. I don't know what the hell that is, maybe tape. So that's secondary damage. Primary damage is he hit something here, and you can see that got shoved. Boom. I buy one flood car and I get 5 cars out of it. I got 2 cars left to build out of it. I'll show you later. This side and this side. I have all the parts for this car. So you'll see that damage. Then there's a bumper and grill. So basically, door, fender, suspension, and all that stuff. I'll go over the prices later on because I'm kind of in a hurry because I'm going to buy 2 more Audis today because we're going to California. This is in Tampa. Tampa North. Oh my God. So it had 66,000 miles. And there was one more thing I wanted to show you. You can see this right here. There's no fluid there. Fluid should be here, pink somewhere here. There's no fluid. This is a 6-cylinder V6 with the supercharger. This back here, there's no water. So this guy got hit on the left side, so there's two auxiliary radiators, and then there's your main radiator. So if you look on this side, which is beautiful interior, notice the seat belts are just hanging. A lot of times when the airbag, they get hit, they lock up and not the airbags pop. Boom, you see all of this? This right here is where the auxiliary radiator fan goes, and the other one right here. This got plopped right here. So this is gonna take the lower suspension, control arm, independent view thing like that. So it's called a left knee, and probably the racking pinion is gonna be gone. So the lights are good and all that, but the lights are usually $1,000. I know all the prices in my head because I just do that. I have all the doors and all that. So that's where the water leak's at. So we go back here, you see the interior, beautiful, cheap because it's not carbon fiber, but you know what? It's a S5, brother. Oh, and then they wrapped it. That's the wrap, guys. It's a wrap. That's a wrap. That should be shiny because this is all misaligned because they didn't shut it out. So now, that one we just bought, they're not saying it, but for, oh shit, it completed. So I bought it for $5,100. We're gonna go buy it. I'm gonna show you the thingy like that. So now these are the other. Now we're going to Cali, East Bay, baby, California, San Francisco. We're gonna buy an A5, 2015, and an Audi S4 Cabriolet. They're starting at $28,25. It's about $9,000. We're in Texas. No one's got these cars. I build these and I build them awesome. This one here, this one has an RS4. This is a special S4. I have another S4. I'll show you the difference and all that. That's an RS4 front. Then he's got dual tips in the back. So I got the door, I got this. The suspension's messed up and it's a standard. This is a nice car. So you see the water gone. See, notice. Does the water look like gone? It's gone. So this right here has all the inlet holes, all this stuff right here. So somebody let out the water. I don't know why the water is messed up, but maybe somebody broke something like that, but that's a $100 auxiliary radiator. That one right there is $1,000, the radiator support. Let's go back into the pictures, sorry. I love pictures. Very clean, somebody loved this car. Somebody hit this, so he's going through somebody's insurance. There's the interior, wood grain, 57,000 miles. It's going to need the suspension, fender, headlight assembly, bumper, and all that. I want to fix that. That's a badass bumper. But if not, I'll get the other one. And then, standard. That's going to smoke butt. But this is a big engine. It takes 10 quarts. This thing is a huge monster car. It's a big block. This thing smokes butt. Look at that rear diffuser with dual points. Mine don't even have that. I'll show you mine on that. So this looks very clean. And that's car. I'm going to get that one. I love it. So we got that one. Let's go back to the 14S. Nope. Let's go back to the 15 A5. This is an Audi. It got hit. If you want to look at it, it got hit right there. Bing. So if you look at the main primary damage is he broke the grill, hit something. These are the way they make it. They just fit in there so the alignment's like that. The headlight looks good. That one probably looks good. But it has to be looking good. But if not, then it's $1,000, $1,300. Who cares? And then you want to go back. See, there's a fluid. So you know it has good engine, radiator, all that. What happened, notice the lockup on the leather. When you got hit, the airbags didn't pop, but the seat belts all popped. Now, besides that, you notice this back there. That's called the rollover. Boom! When you roll over this Audi, this stuff shoots out. I don't know how, 68,000 miles. Sorry. That's where they towed it in, all that. Light hit, you can see right there. There's a hit in the butt. Look at the interior. For 68,000 miles, they love that car. See, there's the hit right there. See, when it got hit in the front and back, boom, 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 because it had to be hit too, because when you get hit from here, that's when these pop. So these popped, and you gotta stick your hand down and push it down like that. But I don't know how that windshield didn't pop. So a lot of people are gonna touch that. Don't touch it. I'll touch it. Because you're not gonna like it. But I love stuff like that. Okay, there's that because we have to hurry up and go because we're going to go buy the auction car. Because it's running at... Sorry, I'm just in love with Audis. Okay.
Smash that like button. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment down below.